already thought who you're going to leave your house to or your car to, but have you given it some thought of who you're going to leave your digital life to? You leave behind more than just your memories when you die. You leave behind a digital ghost, so to speak. Think about this. All those photos, emails, passwords, and cloud files are still out there way after you're gone. Those are your stories, your memories, even your identity. Leave them to someone you trust. I'm going to show you one quick method that you can do this, and your family will be glad you did. You're now on the welcome page. All you have to do is scroll down to this little section here on the menu where it says Data and Privacy. Just give that a little click. And you're bringing up the page that says Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down to the section that says More Options. When you get to the section that says More Options, this is exactly where we want to be. Make a plan for your digital legacy. Plan what will happen to your data. Give that a little click, and it'll take you to your data legacy. Who will download your data? Allow up to 10 people to download a copy of your data. From here, give that a little click and follow the prompts. Super easy. You don't have to leave your digital ghost unguarded. I'll see you next time.